I want to make ponytail style, like slick back, more of slick back, then attach some this ponytail clip, but I don't have any. But trust me, as a queen of DIY to come up with something. I have one extension like that, but the problem is the don't worry, I'll figure it out and let you guys know. Okay, stay tuned.
You guys trust me to always come with a solution. I always have solution to my problem. Not all my problems anyway, but when it comes to my hair problem, I I always have solution for it. Yeah, trust me. So I have this bundle laying around. You guys, do you know that I wanted to throw this hair away because it's not human hair? Jesus. I can't believe I almost threw this hair away. Anyways, thank God I didn't do it because I would have regretted it. Chai. So I have this ponytail net. I don't know what they call them abeg. So I have to, you already know what I'm doing. I don't need to explain too much. I beg. I don't have strength. So I just normal wig making now. That is all I did. It was so easy, simple, simple. Just sew it, turn it, and this is what we have. So I have to stretch it. I'm thinking of coiling it. I don't know, but I'll try this straight first, and if I don't like the straight, then I'll coil it. Yeah. Okay. So you guys wait for the magic. Let's go and create the magic. I've been wanting to recreate this hairstyle. I saw it from someone and it was looking so cute. And I said, I'm gonna try this hairstyle out. Yeah, and I did. So let's get started. Hey, my loves, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine because me, I'm good. Sorry, I've been saying a lot. Oh my goodness. Welcome to another hair video. So today we are doing ponytail and small base just to put some more shakara. You guys, getting my middle part these days is a hustle. Like, I don't know if it's only me, but honestly I feel like I'm not seeing straight again. God, I beg.
So I
Oh.
decided to go for side since getting the middle one is hard.
Yeah, I tried getting the middle part but it didn't work, so I have to switch to side. And again, the style I want to recreate is like side part. So let's try side part and see. Yeah, every day center part, every day center part. Or again a day. So let's try side part and see what we can create. Okay. Remember, in this place or in this space, I don't know, in this space, I don't like using gel anymore. Yeah. I don't like using gel, especially now that my hair is relaxed. So why should I be wasting my money to buy gel when I have holding spray? Yeah, holding spray does the job these days for me. Yeah, because that gel causes a lot of build up and I'm not ready to wash my hair now. I beg, I beg, I beg, I beg, I beg. So for the base, is it base? Na makwam. For the small style that we are going to be leaving out, I'm going to be attaching this hair just to give it volume and length. My hair has volume already, just length. Just length. I'm adding some length. Okay. So this is hair bond. Apply your hair bond. Put it, not your hair. Don't put it on top your hair. Put it down your scalp. Thank you. Please do not try this thing I'm trying at home. Don't do it. Please. So the straight one is actually fine, but I feel like I need something coily. Okay, let's coil it. Yeah, that coily thing was fine. Yeah. I've watched the video and I see that the coily thing is actually finer than the straight one. I don't know, you might like the straight one, but for me, I like it coily. Thank you. So, when you want to try yours, you can make it straight, coily, whichever one you prefer. It's all your style, my darling. Okay. Oh my god, I look so cute. Jesus, whose baby is this? Whose baby is this? So please, I'm blushing. So, like I said, I'm not using any gel, just holding spray, extra hold. I wanted to use my got to be spray, but that fucking motherfucker disappointed me. I don't know what happened to the head, the spray thing. It was not coming out, so I had to make use of this one. I just pray this one doesn't do anything to my hair. So time to lay my edges. You guys, ever since I relaxed my hair, my edges are respecting me. Unlike before, almost my edges doesn't even like stay for a second after laying it. It just follow me straight up. You see, what do you think you're doing? But now my edges are edging. Oh my god! You guys, look at that cute baby girl right there. Oh my god. So finally, I recreated this style, and I'm so glad. I'm so happy I finally did. I can't wait to try another style. So this is our ponytail clip. Oh my god, we created it here. We are such a queen of DIY. I think I need to get a longer ponytail, something. Mm, I'm beginning to love this style. Oh. I might be doing another one soon. Who knows? Well, so to cover up the oh Jesus, the what? Hell, I don't want people to be seeing the band or whatever thing that I used to hold my hair. So I have to use small hair to cover it. I hope you understand that big. Yeah, somehow you understand. Please. Thank you. And we are done. This is how I'm looking. This is the final result. Oh my god. You know that happiness of trying to do something and you got it right. That is how I'm feeling right now. I feel so good, I feel so good, look at that beauty. Sometimes I regret relaxing my hair, sometimes I don't regret it. Yeah, days of this kind of style I don't regret it, but days of trying to do something else I regret it. Anyways, you guys, what do you think? Was it worth the time? Would you be trying it out? Please do let me know. I know the hair fits me already, so I don't need to ask. Bye.